Hello, welcome back to the 2026 DealFlow Discovery Conference here in Atlantic City. With us today, we have Jonathan Cohen, President and CEO of 2020 BioLabs, now trading on the NASDAQ under the symbol AIDX. Jonathan, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Michael. Good to be here.
For our viewers out there who may not be familiar yet with 2020 BioLabs, let's start with an overview of the business. What specific current diagnostics market are you operating?
So our focus is on innovative AI-powered blood tests for the early detection and prevention of cancers and chronic diseases. Two main products. We have a multi-cancer early detection blood test, and we're just launching this month a new blood test for longevity centered on inflammatory biomarkers.
Right. So, Jonathan, the demand for personalized diagnostics continues to grow. What's your plan for scaling as the industry with laboratory services, and what strategic partnerships are you pursuing here in 2026?
Well, we're pursuing an array of partnerships, and some of them we hope to be announcing in the months ahead. But one area that I think we've been out front in terms of lab testing is starting with our multi-cancer test, but including our longevity test, is we were early in adopting and validating our biomarkers with devices like the one I'm holding in my hand that painlessly taps about a thimbleful of blood from the upper arm. This allows access at home, at the workplace, without painful needles and without requiring a visit to either your doctor's office or to Quest or to LabCorp. So I think that's one of the advantages we have, and I think we're going to scale with that, among other things.
And what are some, for investors, some key milestones they should be watching for here with these new diagnostic panels that are important for them to watch for?
So I think we are hoping, now that we are a listed company and we have more resources, we hope in the months ahead to be announcing some important strategic relationships. And we are also looking to do a roll-up, what's called a roll-up, which is merging with and acquiring companies that are either vertically or horizontally aligned. So stay tuned.
So, in summary, for investors watching, what's the essential value proposition? Why might they want to take an interest today in 2020 BioLabs?
I think that we're unique in that we are going very deep, especially with the longevity product, but also with the multi-cancer test, not just in giving people lab values, but in giving them evidence-based recommendations to lower your chronic inflammation and your risk of 8 of the 10 leading causes of death in the West, heart disease, diabetes, various cancers, even Alzheimer's disease, dementia, and mental health, primarily through food as medicine. And I'm unaware of other diagnostic lab companies that are going as deep in food as medicine as we are. So we expect to be announcing some partnerships in that regard. And again, in some respects, our mission is aligned with the Make America Healthy Again policies of the Trump administration, and I think that we're going to have a huge impact this year and the years to come.
Very exciting. I saw the UBS report on longevity just the other week, $10 billion market. So we'll be watching. For investors looking for more information, where should they go?
So our website is 2020biolabs.com. That's 2020 BIOLABS. And you can also find information on our tests. You can order them online at either One Test for Cancer, that's ONE, or One Test for Longevity.com.
Fantastic. Jonathan Cohen, 2020 BioLabs Incorporated, trading on the NASDAQ, AIDX. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you.